Welcome. In front of me is a Sony Xperia 5 Mark IV, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode. So to get started, let's pull down our toggles straight from the top. Swipe down once more to get a broader view of toggles that we have access to. And on one of the pages, we should have a power saving mode. Now let's see if I can find it quickly. Oh, there we go. So in here it's called stamina mode instead of power saving mode, but it's basically the same thing. So once you see it, simply tap on it, and that's it. It lowers down the brightness of your device, gives the battery a red outline, and that's about all we know. There's most likely things happening in the background, which Sony decided not to disclose, or it could be just a fault of Google. But in whatever case, if you see some kind of differences in how your phone behaves, for instance in notification deliveries and stuff like that, it's most likely caused by the power saving mode. Now once you're done with it and you want to just simply disable it, simply find a toggle, tap on it once more, and it will be turned off. Now another thing that I just noticed is once the power saving mode is enabled, it is lowering down the refresh rate of the device. So right now it's running at about 120, maybe 144, I'm not exactly sure, but it is most certainly above 60. When you enable the stamina mode, you can see that it is significantly degraded, even though I don't know if that's not even 30 frames. This looks atrocious, to be honest. This could be even 30 frames, so keep that in mind. If your phone starts to feel like it's just super slow, or just everything looks a little bit more bad, it's probably because of the power saving mode that is changing the refresh rate to what seems to be 30 frames, though I am guessing. Like I said, I have no way of knowing. So anyway, turn it off, and that's about it. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.